Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the base. Measure PVA glue and cornstarch in a 2:1 ratio. This balance gives structure without cracking. Mix in a cup with a spatula until smooth, then add 10–20% water if too thick so it spreads. Once blended, add pigments a pinch at a time and stir. This way you control color saturation and opacity. Make sure to scrape the sides, because unmixed pockets will weaken the paint. You're ready for texture additives in the next step. Once your colored base is consistent, you enhance performance by adding binders and texture. You'll mix 5–10% glycerin or corn syrup to prevent brittleness and give slight gloss. This also slows drying. Next, dash in 1–3% clear acrylic medium to boost adhesion to surfaces. For 3D relief, fold in micro beads or modeling paste gradually so you control peak retention. Heavy textures need more binder. Make sure to test a small sample on scrap material to verify consistency. You apply the 3D paint in controlled layers. Use a palette knife for ridges or a syringe for precise lines, keeping each coat around 1–2 mm. Allow 12–24 hours to cure at room temperature. A fan helps, but avoid direct heat above 30 degrees, which can bubble the paint. Once dry, seal with a clear varnish for durability. If you see cracking or peeling, sand smooth, wipe clean. Then reapply a thin 1–1 glue water adhesion coat before adding fresh 3D paint to repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.